If you want to be your own boss, then you've come to the right place. Today I want to share with you 5 businesses you can start with ChatGPT from the comfort of your own home. The first business idea on the list is creating low-content journals. Low-content journals typically have a simple layout with pages that include checklists, grids, or other design elements. Some examples of low-content journals include gratitude journals, habit trackers, fitness planners, budget planners, and more. For instance, take a look at this gratitude journal on Amazon. You can see that each page has very little text. This journal currently makes over $4,000 a month, bringing in 466 monthly sales. With the help of ChatGPT, generating low-content journal ideas can be easy. It can also help you in writing content for each page. Once your low-content journal is complete, you can sell it on Amazon KDP. If you'd like a more detailed video about this topic, leave a comment down below. The second business you can start that no one's talking about is creating a card game. This card game on Amazon makes almost $700,000 a month. That's over $8 million a year. ChatGPT can help you come up with creative ideas for your card game, as well as help you with specific content for each card. It can also assist you in creating a step-by-step business plan by asking you questions about your business goals and guiding you through the process of setting up and launching your own card game. Once your card game is ready to be made, you can find and contact manufacturers. They will usually have different card designs that you can further customize however you like. A lot of people like using Alibaba because the prices are so low. Lastly, you can either sell the card game through your own website or through platforms like Amazon and eBay. The third business you can start with ChatGPT is social media management. With social media platforms growing more and more year by year, more businesses are in need of a social media presence. As a result, there's increasing demand for social media management services. If you choose this route, you can offer your services directly to businesses or create gigs on freelancing platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. If we go on Fiverr, we can see that people make a good amount of money doing this. For example, this freelancer charges $185 per order. She currently has 756 reviews, meaning she at least made over $139,000 by doing this. There are several ways in which ChatGPT can assist you. It can help you develop content strategy and assist you in writing engaging social media posts and captions. However, it's important to remember that social media management also involves tasks such as choosing and editing images and responding to comments, which will still require your personal attention and effort. The next business you can start is writing YouTube scripts. Any type of storytelling or educational channel needs to have a well-written script before filming a video. Writing a YouTube script can take up a lot of time. That's why a lot of YouTubers will often hire someone to do it for them. To give you an example, Bailey Sarian has over 6 million subscribers, and she mentions herself and 3 other people as writers for this podcast episode, meaning she had to hire 3 other people to help her write the script. Now let's go on Fiverr and see how much other script writers are making. So these are the top sellers for Fiverr and have a lot of repeated buyers, and as you can see, they charge from $30 up to $175 per order. This freelancer has over 1,800 reviews, which means he at least made over $54,000. With the help of ChatGPT, you can write YouTube scripts in minutes. Simply describe the topic of the video and ChatGPT will do the work for you. If you're not happy after the script is done, you can ask ChatGPT to make it longer, shorter, more detailed, funnier, and much more. You can pretty much ask it anything you wish to adjust and it will do it for you. The best way to go about this business is to first start on Fiverr to build a portfolio. Once you feel like you've collected great reviews and have some work to show, you can reach out to YouTubers directly to offer your services. The last business you can start with ChatGPT is offering translation services. If you're a bilingual or have basic knowledge of a second language, this business is perfect for you. To give you a real-life example, this freelancer charges $70 an hour. I personally speak Spanish, so I tested ChatGPT to see how well it can translate. In my experience, it produced an excellent translation. Maybe there were some words here and there that needed to be adjusted, but overall it did a great job. I spent 3 minutes translating an article from English to Spanish that otherwise would take me well over 30 minutes to translate. So if you know more than one language, definitely give this business a try, as it can earn you great money and potentially replace your current job.